Hey, we're gonna build a Frakenskull.
All right, guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to make some skulls with Pacific molds. You can get these at Pacific Mold Designs. They have several kinds. You got big ones and little ones, and you got different, all kind of different stuff. But we're going to use the big molds, and we're going to make Frankenskulls. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so that's what we got now. Now we need to stain it. This is what we got. We just put some, now guys, I saw this off of Pinterest, but mine isn't as pretty as theirs because my cut's crooked, and it'll be fine. But put some of these weird bolts and stuff I had in there. And now we're gonna stain it and see what it looks like. So Now we got that. What we'll do is we'll put some cracks in between some of these and just gouge them out. The trick to this, guys, is do it before it sets up. So you want to try to get it when it's a little soft, but not super soft. All right, guys, this is at the end of the video again. We hope you enjoy. Guys, just be creative, man. It doesn't matter if you mess it up, just keep on going. This is our Frakenskull. We hope you enjoy the video. Sorry, it's gonna be a lot of music in it because I've had the heat on and it's just real loud, so you can't really hear much. But this is our Frakenskull. We put some bolts around it, put some bolts in his head, cut his head. Just use your imagination. So there you go, guys. That's our Frakenskull. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to go over and check out Cobwebs and Candlesticks YouTube channel and the Weird Kid YouTube channel. And come and check out the Trio of Terror Facebook page. You don't want to miss that. There's a lot of great talent on there. Come and join and share your talent with us. And check out Monster Misfits. And why do we call it Monster Misfits? Because we take all kinds of pieces and parts and we make a monster. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Keep it creepy.